in the morning, he sold the remaining. So start with the model, right? Start with the model. Then after that, the branch. Why we need a branch? Because sold, right? Right? Because when you sold something, that means there is a transaction, right? Give away is also transaction. Receive is also transaction. 交易. Okay? Give away, receive, buy, sell. Okay? So meaning so buy or sell. Okay? Then give or receive. Okay? Use, and then when you use, you save. No? So there are transactions involved. So there are transactions involved. So you use you think of the branch method. Okay? Understand? But before you use the branch method, you need to use the model first. Okay? So what it says is sold 1/4 of his muffin in the morning. So you start with some muffin. Right? Am I right? And maybe I should use this instead. Let me load it to this because I'm more comfortable using this.
It's 12:13.
I'm loading from this. There are more tools in this Miro app which I like. So let's just load it. I could go to the sharing folder. P5. Catholic Highest. Yeah, so it's over here. Very good. Very fast. So I should go to page 33. Let's see. Oh no, not quite page 33. Let's go to page 30. Let me see if we can go to 15. Yep, so it's dated page 30. So just extract it out. Yeah, so this will be the question. Okay, so we zoom in. So you start off with a block. So I prefer to use this because I can just get a block very fast. Okay, so you have some muffins, right? He sold 1/4 of his muffin, right?
Yes.
So you break it into how many parts?
4.
4 parts, right? Very simple. So break it into 4 parts. Okay, and then of course this is sold. Morning, right? So in morning. Okay, so you left 3 parts, right? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so this is you, this is you, this is you, this is you. Okay, so one U is sold in the morning. So you have 3 U left, right? Then now they say he sold 4/7 of his remaining. Okay, now we need to use the branch already. So 3U left, right? And he sold 4/7 of his remaining. So what's the meaning of this? 4/7 of his remaining. What's the meaning of this statement? So 4/7 of means what? What operation? Times. His remaining. What is remaining?
4/7.
No, his remaining. What is his remaining?
2 unit.
How many unit?
3 unit.
3 unit. Okay, very good. So basically this statement is this. And he sold. So this is sold in the morning, and this one is sold 4/7 of his remaining in the afternoon. So you use your calculator. This will be afternoon. And if you use the calculator, you will get 12/7U. So this is sold in the afternoon. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So basically, this done, this one done. So we do it statement by statement. Okay? Then next. And the rest of his muffin in the evening. So what's the rest? So you have this one sold in the morning.
Yeah.
You have this one sold in the afternoon.
Yes.
What's the rest? How many you start with?
4
For you. So in the morning,
minus
minus 1u. So in the afternoon, minus 12 over 7u. This will give you the rest. Right?
yes.
Okay? So you use the calculator, 4 minus 1 minus the 12 over 7. So where's the rest? So basically there is nothing here, that means it's 1. So 4 minus 1 minus 12 over 7.
9 over 7.
So the answer is 9 over 7, u, right?
Yes.
Okay? So it's 9 over 7, u rest. G is left. This rest is actually in the evening, right? So it's, I should write here, so in the evening, right? Okay? Then they say he sold each muffin at $2. Okay? And he collected 144 from the evening sales. So that means which one is for $2? And he collected 144 from the evening, right? So that means $2 one muffin, $144. So that means how many muffin in the evening? So you use 144 divided by 2. That will be 72, right?
72.
Yeah. So that means 72 is the evening, right? So therefore this is also evening. So that means 9 over 7u is 72. So u is equal to, so how do you get to u? You divide by 9 over 7 here. So therefore you also divide by 9 over 7 on the right hand side. So 72 divided by 9 over 7. So what is that?
56.
Yeah, so it's 56. U is 56. So what the question is asking. So that means this is 56, this is 56, this is 56, this one also 56. Okay, so they say how many muffin did he sell in the evening? 72. Right? And how many muffin did he bake? All of them together. 56 plus 56 plus 56 plus 56. Or 56 times 4, which is?
The 2 to 4.
Yeah, which is 2 to 4. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so this is the type of question I want you to master. Okay, so not very hard, it's quite simple. Okay, can?
Yes.
Good. So now next 14. Did you get 14 correct?
Wrong.
Wrong. Okay, so 14, which is here already. This is 14. So you say Kelly and Laura has savings, and then Laura has savings of this, and then have 3 times as much. So where's your? Okay, yeah, your this diagram is correct, but maybe while you are doing, then you make a mistake here and there, so that's the reason why you get it wrong. Your diagram looks okay to me. So first, Kelly and Laura, 150. So let's say Kelly. And then here's Laura and Joseph, right?
Yes.
So which one you want? Okay, so you have Kelly and Laura, and you have Laura and Joseph. Can you see that Laura appears in both of them?
Yes.
So I think it's good that you have Laura. Okay? Or maybe the name should be out. Okay, so Laura is U. Okay,
Yes.
then Kelly. So if Laura is U, right? Kelly and Laura add up to 150. So 150 minus U. Yes, that's how you label. Then of course for Laura and Joseph, this will be 180 minus U, right?
Yes.
And then Joseph means this one is 3 times Kelly. So that means which one times 3?
Kelly.
Kelly times 3 will give you this one, right? Yeah, so basically you just take this times 3 and you get this. So just 150 minus U. Do you need a bracket now? When you times 3, do you need a bracket for this?
Yes.
Yes. If you don't put a bracket, your 3 only times the U,
Yes.
which is not correct. So you times the 3, you will get 180 minus U. Did you get this, at least this equation?
Was.
No. So you should get this equation. So can you write this equation down and try to solve? Like bring things over and then solve. I think you need to hold. Otherwise there is this one. So first thing to do is open the bracket first. So what's U? Is U a nice number?
450.
Okay, so never mind. You don't do it first. Okay, so what you do is you open a bracket, right?
Yes.
First arrow 450, second arrow 3U, 180 minus U, right?
Yes.
Then you continue. Underline similar term.
Yes.
So which one you want to move?
Minus 3.
Minus 3U, you want to move to the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So 450 here. So the 180 you move over becomes minus 180.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have minus U here, right?
Yes.
you move the minus 3u over, becomes plus 3u. So this side you should get 2u. This side you should get how much? You should read. I think you made a mistake.
270.
I think you made a mistake already. You look at this. Which one you move? You move the 180 over, right? Plus should become minus, right? And then your this 3u is minus 3u, right? You try to move it over, it should become plus 3u. So 2u is correct, but this one is wrong. So it should be minus 180 plus 450. Okay, which is
Minus.
no. I want 400. I want the what is the answer here first. I don't want to know the u.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's 12:45.
270.
So it's 270. So in order to get u, you divide by 2 on the right hand side. So you divide by 2 on the left hand side as well, which is
125.
yeah 135. That's u, right? Okay, good. So that's Laura. 135. So what the question wants? The question says how much saving did Kelly have? Kelly, right? So Kelly is here, right?
Yeah.
So Kelly is 150 minus 135. So that will give you 15. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's how you get it. Then it says now, part B. Laura and Kelly continue to save on top of what they already have. So I need to find out what they already have. So this is 180 minus 135. That will be 45. Okay, so I'm going to tidy up this diagram a little bit. So this one is 45. I'm going to tidy it up so it is 15. And of course this 135. Okay, so I've tidied up already. Now I'm going to do part B. Okay, so now it says Laura and Kelly, so this person and Kelly, they continue to save on top of what they already have. So already have. They did not spend their money, so both of them started saving from the same day. Laura saved $5 a day. Laura, $5 a day. So let's say this is the first day. Okay? Let me use a number. Let's say this is the first day. This is the second day. So one day save $5 for Laura, right? So this is $5, right?
Yes.
And then Kelly saved $9, right? How many days would it take for the saving to be the same? So that means continue $9, $5, then the third day $9, then $5. So how many days? Then they will reach the same amount. But of course, Kelly has $15. Laura has $135 at first. So how do you do this kind of question? How do you do this kind of question? Any idea? Have you tried this question before? Or this kind of question? No. Okay, let me give you another question. Similar. So probably, hopefully you get to see how you can solve the harder questions here. So let's say you have $10. I have $2. Okay? After that, now we start saving. First day, you save $5. Over here, I save $7.
Yes.
Then the second day, similarly, you save $5. I save $7. So which day we will have the same sum? How do you solve this kind of question? You start with 10, I start with 2. After the first day, what's the result?
15 and 9.
15 and 9, right?
Yes.
Okay?
Mm.
Yeah. After the second day, what's the result? It's 20 and 16, right?
Yes.
Then you continue, right? Then you 5, so this is 25. Then this one will be another 7 is 23, right?
Yes.
Very close already, right? So one more. One more is 30. One more is 30. So this is the third day, this is the fourth day. Oh, so the fourth day will reach the same. Okay? But are you going to do the same for above? I think it's pretty long calculation, which is not a very good method.
Yes.
So a better method to do this is this. So you must remember this kind of question. A better method is, so this is the first day, right? Okay, so what, this is at the start. At the start, what's the difference between you and me? Minus 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, so at the start it's minus 8. One day I can catch up $2. So how many days to catch up the $8?
4 days.
Yes, so it's 8 divided by 2, so it's 4 days. Okay, so similarly for the above, at the start, this is at the start, this is the start. At the start, what's the difference? 120, right?
Yes.
And then one day Kelly can actually catch up $4 between 9 and 5 ma. So one day Kelly can actually catch up $4. So in order to catch up 120, which is the difference at the start, how many days needed?
Divide.
Yep. So it's 120 divided by 4. That will be 30 days. So after 30 days, they will reach the same amount. That's how you do this kind of question. Okay? You're not going to do it like this, like first day, second day. If you do it this way, you are going to end up with a very long calculation. Okay? So after 30 days. Okay? Then what if they ask, what is the 30-day total savings? Very simple lah. 1 day is 9, 2 days is 2 times 9,
Yes.
so 30 days is 30 times 9. This will give you 270, which is the savings. You still have to add with the start, yes. So after 30 days, Kelly will have 285. Then Laura will also have 285. Why? You can test. 135 as the start
Yeah.
plus 5 times 30. So it's 135 plus this is 150. So you add it up, it's 285. Yep, so that's both get 285. Okay? So this kind of question is, you have the difference at the start, and then after 1 day you are going to catch up a little bit of this. Okay? Then second day you catch up a little bit of this. So how you get the number of days is take the total difference, divide by the how much you catch up per day. Does it make sense?
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the another kind. But of course, if you don't know how to do B, you must know how to do A. Did you get A correct? No. At the start. No, did you get A correct? No? You did not put U here. If you put U here, this will be 150 minus U instead of this. If you put U here, this will be 180 minus U. Okay? Then after that, of course, you form this equation. After you form this equation, you must remember when you move things over, you must change the sign. Okay? And you forget to change the 180, you move forward as minus. Okay? So that's how you do this question. Okay? Next. Okay, what about I give you another similar question now, straight away. Hold on. Yep. How do you do this question? This question is similar to part A. Yep. Can you do it on a piece of paper? Yeah, a full sketch is good. So, you can use the calculator if you wish. So start with the model. Then after that, Kelly is half of Bill. So what's the meaning of that? Half of Bill. So which one is half of which one? Or which one is 2 times of which one?
This 2 times.
Yeah. So who has more? Kelly has more or Bill has more? Bill has more. So that means Kelly must times 2 lah. Right? So can you do the arrow times 2 to get Bill? Yes. So can you form the equation now? And solve. So remember, when you move things over, change the sign. What's the answer?
7.
Okay, good. So let's do 7. Oh, so U is what?
7.
U is 7. Who is you?
Danny.
Okay, U is Danny. The question asking for?
Kelly.
Yeah, so Kelly is how much?
15 minus 7.
Which is?
8.
Yeah, okay, so Kelly is 8. Yeah. So you must answer the question, huh? The question wants Kelly, Okay, good. So if Kelly is 8, I think Bill is 23 minus 8, which is 15, right? Right?
Yes.
Right? Okay, good. So now with this, so I give you a similar question. So Bill, okay, so Bill is 15, Kelly is 8. So now the question is, if Bill save first day, save $7, and then Kelly save $8. So how many days they will have the same amount?
It's 1 o'clock.
So what's your first step? What's your first step?
On the first day, there will be 22.
Or you want to do it the long way? Or you want to do it the quick way?
The quick way.
Yeah, quick way. Yeah, how to do it the quick way? So this is the first day. This is the first day, and this is the start. So how do you do the quick way?
Add together is
What you add together? What you should do? You should find out the difference at the start is 7, right?
yes,
This is 7, right? The difference is 7, right?
yes.
And then one day Kelly can catch up. How much?
One day in the job. 8. Oh no.
$1. So in order to catch up this difference of $7,
7 days.
yes. One day you catch up $1, and you need to catch up the difference at the start, which is 7. So you need 7 days. Does it make sense? Similarly, next time, let's say there's the distance question. Let's say your speed is 20 kilometer per hour. My speed is 10 kilometer per hour. Okay? So 1 hour, what's the difference between us? It's 10 kilometer per hour, right?
Yeah.
Okay? So let's say you are 1,000 kilometer ahead of me. So 1 hour you can catch up 10 kilometer, right? So how to catch up 1,000 kilometer? This one times 10. 10 times 10 is 100 only.
100.
Yeah, so you need to times 100. So it's after 100 hour, then you can catch up the 1,000 kilometer. Okay? Can? Okay, good. So that's how you do this kind of question. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep. So let me give you another one. So now you have $200. Start. I have 100. Okay? First day. You save 20. I save 30. So after how many days? I will catch up. Can you start? You can use a calculator.
Okay.
So first you find out what is the,
Difference.
which is
between
100. So one day you can catch up
10.
10. So how many days you can catch up 100?
10 days.
Yes, so the answer is
100.
100 divided by 10. So it's 10 days. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
That's how you get 10 days in this case. Then for the above one, the difference is 7, right? One day you can catch up $1, so 7 divided by 1. So it's 7 days. So similarly for the question here, the difference is 8, right? One day you can catch up 2, right? Right? So 8 divided by 2 is 4 days. Does it make sense? Okay, so that's how you do this kind of question. Okay, so we take a 5-minute break, then we'll come back and start the second half. Alright?